Hi, welcome to a recipe for a vegan cacao dessert. First, here are the ingredients: 1 avocado, 1.5 tablespoons of cacao powder, and 1 overripe banana. We peel the avocado and put it into a bowl. Avocado has many benefits. It has the healthy fats, so that's a good reason to eat many avocados. Not too much every day, but every day 1 avocado, that's fine. We cut it into small pieces and smash it with a fork once we are done. Then we add the 1.5 tablespoons of cacao powder and mix it together with the avocado. Now we peel the overripe banana and break it into pieces and add it to the bowl. Also, we smash the banana and mix it with the fork again, so that we have this creamy, super tasty cacao chocolate dessert. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Give it a try.